Of course, all people that try to learn trading want to succeed. No one's going to start this business without being determined. But what stops most people from being successful is not that they don't understand how to read charts or they don't understand the principles of risk management, trade management, and account management. It's that they cannot control their emotions. They're susceptible to FOMO, fear of missing out. So they're jumping into trades randomly and spontaneously. They can't maintain their discipline. They're watching the market moving around. They're guessing what trades to do, and they're not keeping control of their emotions. So emotions are driving their decisions, and this is a disaster. So in my 5-day challenge, I focus on learning how to control your emotions, learning to spot the warning signs, and giving tips and hacks in order to control your emotions and not get emotionally involved in your trades.
So what are some good hacks for a day trader?
One important tip I would say to new traders is work on your strategy. When you've figured out a strategy that you think will work, a good entry strategy. So I identify low risk trading opportunities in the direction of the trend with a calculated stop loss and profit target, risking 1 to make 2. I only risk 1% on a trade. When you have figured out your own trading strategy, it's one of the most important things is to adhere to that strategy and not then go and trade spontaneously and be driven by emotion. Because it's not until you've executed 100 trades according rigidly to that strategy that you can then look at the results and optimize the strategy. But if you're just trading randomly and spontaneously, you've got no clear record of what you're actually doing. You can't optimize something that you don't understand.
You have a free Telegram group, right? What happens in this group?
Yeah, I have a free Telegram group which I provide some selected analysis which I have given to my subscribers that day. So some days I might post trade ideas and analysis for gold or silver or oil or the stock markets. For my subscribers, I provide a spreadsheet of trade ideas every day. This is the most popular service that I have because it's so easy. I do the 2 hours of analysis. I cherry pick what I believe are the best trades for the day. I put them in a spreadsheet with entry levels, stops, and targets. And it's just so easy. Anyone, while they're having their morning coffee, they can input the trades into their trading account and wait to see which orders get executed. Sometimes I also provide that spreadsheet in the free trading group.
Can you describe your typical subscriber?
One of my typical subscribers would be someone who has been trading for quite a significant period of time, certainly many months. So they understand the basics. They understand the terminology of trading. They've at least traded a demo account, probably even traded some of their own money. But like all traders, they have found that they can't master it. There are certain aspects that they need to work really hard on. That's when people find me, when they start getting serious, when they're looking for someone who can really mentor them and who has a lot of experience. That's when people find me.
Can you explain? I'm joining the paid Telegram group and what I will get exactly.
Firstly, you'll get a very detailed written report on gold, silver, and oil, reviewing the trades that I gave you the day before, and then giving you my outlook, which direction the market will go today, where I would buy, where I would sell. I also do the same for the US stock markets, the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ, and the S&P. And then I also provide commentary on the Forex markets that I'm focused on, where I see the best opportunities. And I provide a spreadsheet of usually 10 to 15 trade ideas covering gold, silver, oil, Forex markets, and also stock markets, where I've identified low risk trade opportunities.
What is a career as a day trader like?
For me, the primary aspect of a career as a day trader is the freedom that it brings. I think people know that you're not going to get rich overnight being a day trader. The days when people believed that were 15, 20 years ago. People are coming to me to gain independence. They don't want to work for someone else. They want to be able to spend more time with their family as opposed to try to get rich. Young people want the freedom to travel. I've been really surprised actually at how young people have really taken to trading, and it's because they want the independence, the freedom to travel.
Okay. Just describe like this nice lifestyle that a trader can have.
So my life as a trader is all about being free and independent. I wake up at about 7 a.m. I do 2 hours of analysis, during which I identify all the low risk trading opportunities. By about 9, I've completed that task. I've entered those trades into my account, and I sit back and I wait to see which orders will get executed. And from then on, my day is almost free. I will monitor the trades periodically, but not constantly throughout the day. So I'll have a look every hour just to see if a trade's been executed. Do I need to trail the stop loss? but I'm pretty much free. So that allows me to go to the gym, go for walks, go for lunch, spend time with my children, and travel. I can be anywhere in the world with a laptop, and I have another spare screen that I plug in, and I travel a lot now.
Describe your setup.
Because I travel a lot, I have a trading setup which is very mobile. I have a laptop and 2 USB screens. That gives me a 3-screen setup. I can set that up within a minute and I'm ready to go. This year, in the last few months, I've traveled around Thailand. I've traveled to Japan. I went skiing, Malaysia. I've been to Dubai. I went on a motorcycling trip to Vietnam, and I'm going to the Philippines. So I love the freedom that I have as a day trader. I'm always in different hotels. I wake up and I often think to myself, where am I? What hotel am I in? What country am I in? I always carry my laptop and my screens in a rucksack. So I've got it on the plane. It's the one thing that I can't lose. If I turn up and my luggage doesn't arrive, as long as I've got my laptop on my screens, I'm fine. I arrive at the hotel, I open my bag, I put my laptop on the table, I plug in my 2 screens and bang, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to trade. I might need to stop in a cafe, or I also like checking into airport lounges while I'm waiting for a flight. I open the bag, open my laptop, plug in my 2 screens, and I'm ready to go. I've got a 3-screen setup there, which is perfect for me to analyze my charts, because I look at the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the daily, and the weekly chart. So I need this 3-screen setup so I can look at all 4 time frames at the same time.